third graders. So today we did lesson 3 for math. I'm just going to give a quick review for the people who couldn't make it or maybe weren't able to listen the best that they could. So when we started on lesson 1, I can understand equal groups and multiplication, and you know that it cannot be a multiplication problem unless you have equal groups. And we also learned I can use equal groups to create arrays, and if you remember, an array is this kind of picture that shows a multiplication problem. So you also might remember that in an array, the number of rows has to be written first in a multiplication problem. So remember that rows go side to side, row your boat, you go to the side. So the number of rows is going to go first, and I'll circle them to make it easy to see. We have how many rows? 2. 1, 2. 2 rows, so that's our first number, times 1, 2, 3 in each row. So this problem is 2 times 3 equals 6. This is an array. This is your problem. And these numbers that we're multiplying, this orange marker isn't showing up very well. Let's try another one. These are called factors. Oh, this one's not very good either. The 2 and the 3 are called factors. Whatever numbers you are writing to multiply, those are called factors. And the answer in a multiplication problem is called the product. So the product is just the answer in multiplication, and the factors are the numbers that we're going to be multiplying. Now, what we're learning today is just the meaning of the word factors. So you already know factors are the numbers we're multiplying. So let's try another one. If we set up these pieces to be an array, I'm going to take these off, and then we will have this picture. See? Pause your video and see if you can figure out what multiplication problem that might be. Okay, so we have to do the rows first. Let's circle them. Rows go side to side, side to side, side to side. How many rows do we have? 1, 2, 3. We have 3 rows. Good job. Times. Now we have to write how many in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 3 times 4. And do you remember what these numbers are called? That's right, they're called factors. The numbers that you're multiplying are called factors, and our answer is called the product. So just reviewing what we've done in the last few days, you know that multiplication has to be equal groups. And you know that this is an array. It's a picture that shows us a multiplication problem. And we've learned today that factors are the numbers that we multiply times each other. And the answer is called the product. Good job, kids. Thanks for paying attention.